So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So, this is going to be a little bit of a different video. This is going to be just some random stuff that I did not get to unbox with you or go over with you. So, please, if you want to see all the stuff, there's a lot, please, guys, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, so I do have Allure. This did come this month. Fair enough. I also have, oh my gosh, if I could get it, I can't hold everything. I have so much stuff. And there's a spider here. Oh my gosh, it's in one of these boxes. I know it. I couldn't kill it and it disappeared on me. Okay. So we do have a Target beauty box. Also, I do want to say that FabFitFun, guys, when I did that video, remember it was the weird video that I got a whole bunch of stuff that I wasn't supposed to get? They issued replacements. Listen, it took 2 days, only because I didn't check my emails, or it would have been handled quicker than that. We're just going to quickly go over these things as quickly as I can. I'm not going to try and rush, but I am going to do it very quickly. But before I do that, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Stephanie. I am the host of this channel. And really all that means, guys, is when we do these things, I'm the one that's talking, being my silly self. Listen, guys, I don't try to be silly. It's just who I am. And I am what I am, and that's all I am. And that is okay, because it is all right to be different. It is all right to be, you know, not the same as everyone else. I've said this a long time ago. I used to say it quite often, and I just, you know, stopped. But it's time to say it again because, you know, to remind everybody, being different, being unique, it is the definition of beauty. You know, how beautiful it is to be different and not be the same. Could you imagine how boring this world would be if everyone was the same? It's a horrible thought. We do everything on this channel that has to do with beauty, whether it be, you know, unboxings, makeup, tutorials, try-ons, reviews, product reviews, new releases, things like that, hair care, skincare, you name it. If it has to do with beauty, I am trying to do all of it. There are some more things that are coming onto the channel. I'm going to do some other videos just to test them out, see how you like them. I do promote positivity on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. We are almost to 1,000. I do have a 900 giveaway going on. Also another giveaway giving away the Norvina Volume 1 palette. Please check out both of those. I will link them down below. If you have not yet entered, please do so, and good luck. So, let me just quickly say, the FabFitFun fiasco. When I got my box, actually it wasn't a fiasco because they handled it like this. Now, I had heard some different stories about how they're good, then they're not. And all I can say is, in my experience so far, it was really fast. They were awesome. 3 days after I took 2 days to straighten out, and that was my fault. 3 days, my stuff was here, and I did get it. I'm going to show you very quickly what I got. I did get the blanket. This, I'm not going to open it all the way up, guys, because it is really big, and we are taking it. And this is, it's a picnic blanket. The dimensions are 50 inches by 70 inches. Now, I know this is 102 centimeters. So if you want to look at centimeters, it's 127 centimeters by 177.8 centimeters. Which, guys, this is pretty big. So we're going to use this on the beach. Here is the setting spray. This is the second thing that I did not get, but did pick as my customization. This is the Watermelon Burst setting spray. Right there is the packaging. I do like Ciate Lenny's packaging. And here it is, guys. Let me just see how the sprayer is. Hang on. I'm not going to... Oh, it's nice. It's, yeah. I mean, it's fine. So... Oh, it smells like watermelon. That's cool. So there you have it. And I am using the Glow Recipe. And speaking of Glow Recipe, guys, like I said in the beginning, Glow Recipe loves us. Just know that. And that's a very good thing. And I will get to that video, I promise. This is the pool bag that I wanted. And yes, it's very nice. It's very big. And guys, it has two. There's the... Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah. It's got two zippers. You see that? Now watch me open this one. Okay. And then there's the waterproof, okay? And then you can put stuff on this side, which is water resistant. So you know I'm going to be loving that, okay? So definitely, those are the 3 things. I did get them, and they came super fast. So I was worried they weren't going to get here before we went on, you know, before we left. So that's a plus. I'm so happy to get that. Thank you. Shout out to FabFitFun, to Philip. They did send me an email after I received my stuff asking me to rate Philip's performance. And I gave him a glowing recommendation because he really was nice. He was funny. He was on point. Okay. I do have a Target box. When I saw this... Oh, did I tell you, please remember to rate the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Helps the channel to grow. Also, please remember to put your bell on, guys, because I do hidden giveaways all the time. And also, I announce the winners to those giveaways, to all my giveaways, through a video. I will show you the name, and then you have 48 hours to get a hold of me. That's how I do it on this channel. Okay, so this is one of those Target beauty boxes. You remember these? For $7. Well... yeah, it was on there. I've not seen it in for months, and believe me, I've been checking, because I'm hoping that they're bringing them back. I'm like literally filming right before I walk out the door to go down the shore. I love my community. I love this channel. I love everything about it. I love you guys, and if I can film, I will. And I don't want to get backed up, and I'm going to vlog some of the, well, pretty much all of it. I will put it into hopefully a short video, and you're coming on vacation with it. So this is one of the Target beauty box. And this is a new one. It said new on there. It was $7. Remember the old ones, and they took them away, and now they have like the $14.99 ones, which by the way are pretty good. So this is I just couldn't afford it. This is the clean routine, and they do have a list of what you have on the back, which is also cool. I can't see. I need my glasses for this. So I haven't seen one of these in forever. And there you have it. You open it up, and there it is. And oh my gosh, okay. So All Naturals Vitamin C Serum, which is right here. This is, oh sorry, Art Naturals. Right there is the name. Okay, if you can see that. Oh no, because I'm in the way. There you go. Okay, so it's a little squeezy thing. All right, there you go. That's awesome. And this, I don't know if this is, they don't have the retail value here. Oh shoot. And you do get a $3 off, $15 or more coupon, and it is good until, what? Oh, God. What? No, they gave me an old card. Okay, that's not cool. Is this an old box? Because I was on Target website last month, and I didn't see this, so that's crazy. But, okay, maybe it is an old box. But anyway, it's mine. It's ours. Somebody's getting in their goodie, you know, usually I put some of these items. Oh my God, I did get this because I have this. Matter of fact, I just swapped. Flora, you want another one? Anyway, there you go. This is a charcoal toothbrush from Hello. And you do get the toothpaste to go with it, which is pretty cool. This is hemp seed. Oh no, wait, I'm lying. What? What? Extra freshening fluoride. Yeah, it doesn't have fluoride, but it's hemp seed oil and coconut oil. Okay, I don't know if I would like that, but okay. So this is the toothpaste. This is the toothbrush. It doesn't say the prices on here, so I have no idea. But Rich Blend of Botanicals is this one. I think I did absolutely get this, but I don't remember this. So maybe I don't. This is La Vanilla Pure Healthy Vanilla Deodorant, which is all naturals, guys. I got Lumi, and I swear by it. I still use, like, smelly good stuff after I put the Lumi on, just because I like the smell. And hubby absolutely puts Degree on, but he uses Lumi now, too. Got him. He tried it once. He was hooked. I'm telling you, if you can afford to grab it, it's a little bit pricey, but they are getting better at the prices now because they have a lot of different, like, products, right? So I would highly, it lasts forever, so you really only need that one, and you don't have to reorder for a while. So really, it kind of like, you know, evens itself out as far as the price is concerned. So this is La Vanilla Pure Healthy Deodorant. It is all natural, freshly scented deodorant packed with antioxidants. Now, you know, like I said, I like the Lumi, so that will go in a giveaway. And then the vitamin C, botanical ingredients, helps repair wrinkles, fine lines, and sunspots. So there's that. And then Love, Beauty, and Planet. This is hand cream. I will be taking this with me. Hold, please. So this must have been an old one, and they tricked me. But this is, I like the hand cream. Okay, smells good. All right. So all natural, though. I'm liking that. So this is the Love, Beauty, and Planet. I do have like little shampoos and conditioners from them. All right, so there you have the Target box. So I guess I don't know where they popped up with this box, because I'm telling you, I was on that website last month and they only had the $14.99 one. The capsules or whatever they are. So there's that. Let me just quickly do one more box. Oh, and I do have Slay for the month of June. Guys, I do not know what's going on with them. I have messaged several times and I have not yet got, I didn't check today, but I have not yet, as of yesterday, gotten an answer. I don't know what's happening. July's, I was told 2 weeks ago they are processing them, but I haven't gotten a tracking, and I haven't seen anybody else either, so we don't know. I mean, I don't think that there's any kind of scams going on. I just think that she's really backed up. You know, I'm going to think positive. But Allure, for the month of August. Okay, guys, correction. This is not August's box. However, it showed up at my door just like it looks there. I did call. They don't know anything about it. It is a complete mystery. So we're just going to roll with it. And I've heard this is a good box. I don't know why, because I've not seen it. So I don't know what's in it. So if you don't know about Allure, it is now $23. We know the price has gone up. And you get 5 to 6 products. They're supposed to be guaranteed value of $100. And I think guaranteed 3 or more full size. Okay. This is, what? Okay, wait a minute. There's no, oh my God, the first time ever, there's no booklet. So this is going to be super quick. So I'm so glad that I didn't do this on its own. This says Allure Beauty Box, $120 value. Your bonus bundle includes Georgia, what? What is this? What is this? Hold on, is this the Allure box? Okay, this is a bonus bundle. It says, scan here for protect information. Oh, for product information. No, I can't do that. I'm on my phone. Sorry, guys. I will try and edit in the prices here, okay? So the first thing I don't understand. I'm very confused. What does it say? It says your bonus bundle includes Giorgio Armani Beauty Lip Maestro Intense Velvet Lip Full Size. Why is this a bonus bundle? Why did I get a bonus bundle? Oh, no. What? I signed up in October. They didn't get me for another year, did they? Because I'm not keeping the subscription. I'm just not. I can't afford it. And not at a year. No. I have to look. Okay, I'm kind of panicking right now. But anyway, so we do have, oh my God. Okay, wait a minute. Where is the box? Please tell me the box is here. I brought it over here to do it with y'all. Where is it? No, it's over there. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to do that in my freebies haul. So I got a large one of these. It's $75, guys, and it smells amazing. So now I don't have to bring the big bottle because I got the little one. Yes, awesome. Voce Viva, and it is the Valentino, and it smells divine. It is more like I want to say a very musky type, not horribly like overbearing. It's just very like sexy. Like, I don't know. That's the only way I can explain it. But anyway. It's very good. And I'm bringing this with me because now I don't have to bring that big bottle because yay. And I do have to, I did get it for free, the big bottle, but I'll explain that in that video. So, okay, so that's the first thing. So we do have, this doesn't seem like a regular box, but okay, I don't know what this is. What is this? Does it say? It says 120 plus value. Okay, well, I guess I have to scan it when I get off the phone here and when I edit. Okay, so here we have Black Opium. What is all with the perfumes? Okay, I'm a little confused. What's with the perfumes, man? Okay, this is Black Opium, Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, I kind of like that. Oh, it's cute. It's a little, oh, sorry. I didn't, bad YouTuber. Here, see, there's a packaging. Comes in a little thing like this. And this is very, very cute. I would take, maybe I'd take this one. I don't know. Let me see. Because that other one is, I don't know. It's like really good. Oh, it pops off. Okay. Oh. Oh, baby. I'm not putting it. Those lantern flies are outside. When I leave, I'm not getting attacked. That's why okay. Oh, yeah. It's very nice. Is it for men? It's probably for men and I'm wearing it. Isn't that crazy? Okay. So that is the second thing. So we got 2 perfumes. That's a little strange. Okay. Then we have the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, which I do like Kiehl's. There you have that. And I will put the price here if I can find it. I can give you the full price version. Then we have Replica Beach Walk. I'm going to the beach. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I'm glad I opened this box. I'm going to get way yelled at, but it's worth it. Okay, what is this? This is, I don't know. Now we want the book, right? There's the packaging, guys. Okay, and there's a lady on the beach. Is this perfume too? I'm gonna be upset. It is. What is this? What do you know? This is something really weird. Did somebody use my code to sign up? I don't know. It says bonus bundle. Oh my God. Look, I got every different. I gotta stop. That is perfume, and it's called Beach. And it is. It's a very crisp, clean scent. I like that. Don't hit me up with flowers because I don't like that. Citrus and fresh. Definitely my favorites. And spicy Chinese, like sexy. Yeah. And then we have the Idoli Lift, which I have right somewhere. I can't find it, but I do have this. I won it from, shout out to my girl Christine. I won it on her little Instagram stories giveaway, and I do like it. It does come in a little thingy like this. It's just a little guy, but it does. I do have it on, guys. I have it on my bottom lashes. And then we do have this product right here. What is this? Giorgio Armani. Oh my gosh, is this more perfume? Oh, it's the Lip Maestro. That's right. What color? Oh, I just ripped the box. Please don't be red. Please don't be red. Oh, well, yeah. It's brick. Okay. Well, I do like the packaging. Giorgio Armani. That's pretty fancy schmancy. I'm not going to swatch this, guys, because that's not my color. So that will go in a giveaway. So there's that. And again, I'll leave the price if I can. And then we have, I have this already in here somewhere. It is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on Eyeliner in Zero, which is black. And I have it somewhere, but this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open the package, guys. See, it has a little, like, silver thing here. And you can use it to smudge out your eyes. Remember I said I want to do a black look? This is one way you can definitely do it, but yeah, I would need to set it with shadow because my eyes do crease. All right, so let's recap. Is the value here? Is this $120? Well, I guess with the perfumes. So we have the Urban Decay pencil, full size. We have the Lip Maestro from Giorgio Armani. That is full size. We have the Kiehl's eye cream. Maybe that's full size. Maybe. I don't know. But there you have that. And then here is the Beach perfume from Replica, okay? And then you have the Idoli sample. We have the Black Opium, and then we have the Voce Viva, which I do like this. So there you have it. I don't know. I'm a little confused still. I will edit in here if it is, or maybe comment down below, and I'll save me some editing, and you guys could tell me. Like I said, let's learn together. But maybe, I don't know, if anybody did use my code and I got something for it, thank you. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Well, first, just let me say thank you for being here, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. Please don't forget to rate the video thumbs up because that really does help me out. Please turn your bell on, and I will say, if you are going through something, if something is bothering you, whether that be, you know, a little bit of depression, or, you know, you're anxious, or you're afraid of something, or, you know, you're just angry about something, what have you, please talk about it, because if you hold it in, guys, it's called stuffing. And trust me, I was the biggest stuffer in the world. No, everything's okay. I'm fine. Until I would just blow up at nothing. And ultimately, it did some damage, you know. I paid the price, and I got worse, and next thing you know, I was in a deep depression. So I'm just saying, I'm saying this because I know by experience, okay? Also, if you are a person that somebody asks you to listen, please lend them your ear, because honestly, sometimes it just takes them to vent, to talk about it like 1 or 2 times or what have you, and then, you know, maybe they don't know what's wrong until they talk about it and they figure it out. Always a good thing. And like I always say, guys, please remember, in this crazy mixed up world, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.